Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, everyone. Switch on your cameras, all of you. Today we'll revise maths only, as you told yesterday. So we'll do maths. Uh, I have brought some questions from, just a moment. Okay, so I have brought some questions on our first chapter also, the polynomials. Okay, remember, identify the polynomials, degree of the polynomials, monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay, all these things, quadratic, cubic, everything was there. Then what is the root of the polynomial? Then addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of polynomial. Remember that we have to do that also. So we'll do that also, and then HCF, LCM, and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of rational expression also. So these things are there which were not covered in our FA, and linear equation, which we were doing just now. So we'll do except linear equation, other things we'll revise today, because till yesterday we were doing linear equation only. Okay, Sakleen, keep your camera on, and so I'll start doing the question because we don't have enough time also to revise. So some questions we'll do. Just start doing it. HCF and LCM of these. You don't do all the questions. We'll just do one or two questions in the class. First one, find out the answer. You know how to find out. I will give you hint if you don't remember. Factorize both the things, and LCM and HCF you have to find out. HCF will be a common in both, and LCM will be common in both into whatever is left. Okay, that is LCM. So now do it. If you don't remember, you can ask. So I'll do it over here. How will you factorize a cube plus 2a square minus 3a? Always remember, first step of factorization is checking for common. Okay. Take out common. Minus 3. Then you can factorize this one, this bracket. And mostly we use splitting of middle term only. So minus 3 is there. What will you get? What combination you will take? Minus 3a plus a. You'll get minus 3, okay? Not minus 3, sorry, plus and minus, because middle mein you are getting plus 2a. Is it correct? Take out a common, a plus 3, minus 1 common, a plus 3. So a into a minus 1 into a plus 3. So this is the factorization of this thing. Now factorization of this is, I'm doing it over here. Find out this 5a square minus 3a. Again, you will see that all the three terms have got a. So you will take out a common. 2a square plus 5a minus 3, which gives you, again you will factorize. Now see, here 2 is there and here minus 3. So you need to multiply. So minus 6. Those who are doing on your, if you're doing on your own, just check your answers from here. Okay. Minus 6 हो गया. Minus 6 का combination क्या होगा? So that you get 5 plus 5.
plus 6 minus 1.
Plus 6, correct. Plus 6 minus 1. 2a square plus 6a minus a and minus 3. 2a common. A plus 3 okay. Now what will be the HCF? Now first step is done, we have factorized. Now tell me what will be the HCF? What will be the HCF? I write on the top. HCF and LCM. Who will give me the answer? All of you have joined. Yusuf, Ahmad, please keep your camera on. Every time I have to ask you people. Farhana, can you give me HCF? I have given you the factorization of first one is this one. Okay, and factorization of second one is this one. What is the HCF? Tell me.
A plus 3.
And A is also common, na?
Yeah, A and bracket A.
So A into A plus 3 is HCF. Tell me the LCM also. Okay, somebody else will give me. Who will give me LCM? Muazzam? What is LCM in these two?
Ma'am, it's a into a plus 3 into 2a minus 1 and a minus into a minus 1.
Correct. So this is clear how to find HCF and LCM. Okay. Understood everyone? You remember now how to do this? Okay, do one question on your own. Question number 2, everyone do it and give me the answer in chat. Give me the answer. I'll do it in my notebook. Okay, I think answer is there. We'll check the answer from here only. Okay, 4u square minus 9v square. Do it quickly so that we can cover some more extra topics. Now you know how you have to do. You have to factorize and then whatever is common, the lowest power will be the HCF and left, whatever is left will be multiplied to HCF to make it LCM. What happened to Ahmad and Yusuf? You cannot hear me when I asked you to switch on your camera. You're not writing also anything in chat, not keeping your camera on. I hope you heard what I told. Question number 2, I have given everyone to do. Question number 1 is done over here. Anyone has got answer for question 2? Just give me the factorization of those who have calculated can give me the factorization of this one. 4u square minus 9v square. This is easy. You can give me. Anyone has done?
4u plus 9v into 4u minus 9v.
See, be careful with this 4. When you are making it, you just, that's why I tell you to write the step. This is 2u ka square, Mudabbir. And this is 3v ka square, right? So your answer will be 2u plus 3v into 2u minus 3v, okay? You cannot take 4 over here. Is it clear, Mudabbir?
Yes,
Mudabbir,
ma'am.
did you understand what
Yes,
why I tell you to make this whole bracket? Because this whole is a square, right? So 2u ka whole square is a square. So 2u, your answer will be this using the formula. So this is the factorization. And then the second one, who has done second factorization? 2u square minus 3uv.
Ma'am, the answer for the second factorization is u into 2u minus 3v.
Correct. So HCF,
2u minus 3v,
and LCM,
2u minus 3v into u into 2u plus 3v.
yes. So this is the answer, and this way you have to do. Okay. Now moving to next question. Will not do question of HCF and LCM. You got this answer only. Okay, now add and subtract. This is addition and subtraction of rational expression. Again, here what you have to do. Okay, question number 27 will start. Do you remember how to do? Okay, who will tell me? Ahmad, tell me how will we do this addition of rational expression? How do we do this question?
Ma'am,
Ahmed,
we
you
have to find the HCF of the denominator.
LCM of the denominator. For finding LCM, what is the first step that we are going to do with the denominators? What will we do these denominators?
Factorize.
Yes, you have to factorize. So first step is factorization of the denominators, and then find the LCM. So everyone, I'll just copy this question. Everyone copy this question, and then I'll use whiteboard to do it because here we don't have space. Copy this question. X upon x square plus 5x plus 6 minus 2 upon x square plus 3x plus 2. Same method is used for addition also. So factorization is very important. We have to use it everywhere. Everyone has noted down. Uzair, please switch on your camera. You joined the class late. How will you understand anything? See, maths is based on the concept. So whatever question I give, if your concepts are clear, you will be able to do. So you have to just revise your concepts on each of the topic. Okay, everyone has written. Farhana, just dictate the question to me. What was the question?
X upon
Yes.
x square x square plus 5x plus
Plus
6
minus
minus 2 upon x square plus 3x plus
Okay.
2.
plus. Okay, now factorize. Anyone has factorized x square plus 5x plus 6? Give me the answer directly.
X square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6.
X square plus 3 2s are 6. Yes. X square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to x into x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3, which gives you x plus 3 into x plus 2. Anyone has factorized the second one?
Ma'am, x square plus 2x plus x plus 2.
Yeah, x square plus 2x plus x, yes, plus 2. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So x into x plus 2 and plus 1 into x plus 2. So which gives you x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now you can write the values x upon x plus 3. Okay, what is the LCM you have to find out? Okay? Find out the LCM, everyone. Because you have to make the this thing same, denominators same. Anyone has found? This was x plus 3 into, what is the LCM first of all? Write LCM first. How much is LCM?
LCM is x plus 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 3.
X plus 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 3. Yes, x plus 2 कॉमन है. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? X upon, this was actually x plus 3 and x plus 2 was already there. X plus 2 and x plus 3 was there. That means you have to multiply with x plus 1 to make it x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 1. Okay, is it clear? We need to make the denominator equal to LCM. So if I make it equal to LCM, I need to multiply with x plus 1 because this already had x plus 3 and x plus 2. So ऊपर भी x plus 1 से multiply किया. Whenever minus is there, remember to put a bracket over here. Okay, so bracket over here. Again, यहाँ पे कौन से दो terms हैं? X plus 1 and x plus 2 are there. So what is left? X plus 3. So we need to multiply with x plus 3 here. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3, you get this. Now you have same denominator, so you can simply multiply x square plus x minus 2x and minus 6 because minus will go inside. And this you have the same denominator, x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. ऊपर में solve किया, so what do we get? X square minus x and minus 6 upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Now just see if you can factorize this also. Can you factorize this? Three and 2?
Minus 2 plus 2.
Just factorize over here in rough and see what you are getting so that if anything can cancel from top and bottom, it is simplified also. So x square minus x minus
Ma'am,
6.
plus 3x minus 2x.
It is minus 3x because minus sign hai na, so it is minus 3x and plus 2x and minus 6. So x common, x minus 3 and plus 2 common, x minus 3. So answer is x minus 3 and x plus 2. Okay, x minus 3 and x plus 2. Now when you put the value over here, x minus 3 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. You can cancel this. So now your answer is x minus 3 upon, अभी ये दोनों को multiply कर लो. X plus 1 into x plus 3 is how much? X square plus 4x plus 3. So final answer is this. Is it clear? The addition and subtraction, you have to remember, you have to make LCM. The denominator should be equal to the LCM. And how will you make it equal to LCM? You have to multiply the numerator with whatever is not there in the denominator. So you'll multiply the numerator with that. And same for the second term also. This was for minus. Only in minus you have to be cautious that you are putting a bracket over here. Otherwise, usually children do what they do. ये minus 2x तो कर देते हैं, but ये plus ही रह जाता है. Okay, so always be careful with negative sign just before the bracket. So you have to put negative inside. How many times I tell this to you, but you people do this mistake in your paper. So that's why I keep on repeating it. Okay. Now next question. Addition subtraction is clear. Yes or no? Or you want to do one more question? Tell me. Want to do one more? Because I have enough questions.
Yes, ma'am, we can do one.
You can do one more. Do plus wala question. Ye 30th question. Do 30th question. I'm not doing it. Now tell me what is the answer you are getting. I'll just give you the answer. I'll do it on in my notebook and I'll give you the answer. And about homework, I wanted to speak. Only Farhana has submitted the homework. Yesterday, I was telling you continuously that 4 questions kar lo, 4 questions kar lo. Nobody did. Only Farhana did. Only Farhana did. Although I gave you the answer also. So I got answer only from Farhana. Science, so you people don't do. Means I think you don't check only Google Classroom for science and maths. What is the issue? I don't know whether it is too difficult for you or too easy, or you are too confident that you will be able to do it without practicing. You will be able to crack the exam. That is not good. You are preparing for board exam. Last moment nothing will happen if you just waste your time whole year, and last moment you cannot get marks just studying and in the end, because maths to chalega nahi वैसे. Maths you have to prepare. So this is my advice, that don't do like that. These are just small tests, but take these tests also seriously. Basically, your final aim is your exam, board exam.
Ma'am, I submitted the science questions and I had doubt in some questions,
Yeah.
so I
Yes,
messaged you that
you
also.
submitted science one. I have seen you have submitted. You and Farhana, both of you have submitted the science one, but maths one,
I also have doubts in science.
yeah, that's okay. Science or maths, anything, but do something. At least I should see that you are opening the worksheets and all. Doubt ho sakta hai. We can discuss the doubt. Okay. So next class, just remind me, Tuesday class है, because Monday would be holy. So Tuesday की class में whatever doubts are there, science और maths दोनों साथ में we'll discuss. ठीक है? So please just practice this week, this weekend, long weekend you are getting. दोनों science and maths में everyone I want a list कि क्या क्या problem है किस किस department में, in which section you are facing problems. Okay? So we can discuss those things in both science and maths. Anyone has got LCM? Get your LCM checked.
LCM is x square, like bracket x square, then sorry, not x square, x plus 2, then
Okay.
the other bracket is x plus 3, and the other bracket is x minus 3. X minus 3 is common.
I think X minus 2 is there. X minus 2 is there in this thing. Others also check. Mutapir Mozam, what did you get in LCM? What is the factorization, Farhana? X square plus X minus 6 का factorization क्या है?
X square minus 3x plus 2x.
Minus 3x and plus 2x करोगे तो middle term क्या हो जाएगा? Minus x होगा ना? But what do you have in the middle term? Plus x. So what is the mistake? Tell me. You tell me the mistake, Farhana, in your factorization.
Ma'am, I put the wrong sign.
So what will be the corrected one? Tell me.
It will be plus 3x minus 2.
Correct. See, plus 3 and minus 2 is minus 6. That is okay. But plus 3 and minus 2 adding is plus x. So that is your term. So this is correct. So that is why you are getting this x plus 2. X minus 2 hai LCM mein. Mozam, what did you get LCM?
Ma'am, I was just doing the second one, factorizing the second one.
You have to be quick. Huh? First one, what is the factorization of first one?
Ma'am, x plus 3 into x minus 3.
Correct. Mozam, what is the fact? Mozam nahi. Saklain, what is the factorization of x? The second one.
X minus 2 and x plus 3.
Correct. X minus 2 into x plus 3. Now, what is the LCM?
Ma'am, x minus 2.
Yes. Then
Ma'am, x minus 3.
and x
And
plus
x
3
plus
also.
3.
Na? Yes. So LCM is x plus 3 into x minus 3 into x minus 2. Okay. Now you do. Now you solve. Anyone has got the answer, numerator? I have got the answer. I'll write the answer over here. Just check your answer. Anyone has got the numerator? LCM I'm writing over here. Those who are doing, just check your LCM. LCM. LCM is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 3 into x minus 3 into x minus 2. This is your LCM. Yes, somebody has given me the answer. No, this is not the correct answer, Ahmad. X plus 3 actually will get cancelled out. This simplified answer you will not get. This is your LCM, right? If this is your LCM, you know what will be in the numerator. Numerator will be
Ma'am, I got 2x minus 4x, 2x squared minus 4x plus 5x minus 15 in the numerator.
correct. That is correct. But you have to simplify, okay? So you have to, you got
Yes.
this is your, yeah, Ahmad, you got correct
So I
answer, but
took
you have
two.
4x plus 5x, okay? You are saying this only, na? Minus 15 divided by this whole thing.
Yes.
X plus 3 into x minus 3 into x minus 2. Now, when you simplify this, you are actually getting this 2x square plus x minus 15 divided by this whole thing, x plus 3, this whole thing, x minus 3. Now simplify the numerator also. When you simplify the numerator, you are getting, because 15 twos are 30, 15 twos are 30 is minus 30. So 6, 5 if you take 6x and 5x. So when you simplify this, you get, I'm just writing the brackets directly. You can do it, simplification part. So when I simplify it, you will get it as, कितना आया था? 2x minus 5 and x plus 3. So x plus 3 and 2x minus 5 divided by this whole thing, this whole thing. So x plus 3 cancel हो जाएगा. X minus 3 and x minus 2. So this gets cancelled. Your answer is 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 2. Okay. So you just wrote one bracket, Ahmed, in the answer. Okay. You just wrote 2x plus 5, which is 2x minus 5 actually. And denominator mein you don't have x plus 3 because x plus 3 to gets cancelled out. So ye wala factorization is wrong. Your this factorization is wrong. The sign is wrong. Because this will be, if you break the middle term, this you will get as 6 5s are 30. So plus 6x and minus 5x you will take. Okay. Understood, Ahmed? Yeah. So this is your correct answer. 2x minus 5 upon x minus 3 into x minus 2. So whenever you are doing addition, subtraction, also do simplification also. So simplified answer is this. We did the lowest form and this is the
You don't have to multiply x minus 3.
You have to multiply. In the end, you multiply. I just wrote here like this. You will have to multiply. So when you multiply, what answer you will get?
X square plus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6.
Minus 5x, yes.
Yeah.
X square minus, because minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 5. So minus 5x and plus 6. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. So shortcut method se multiply kar liya. So this will be the final answer. Okay. So now moving on to the next topic. This way we have to do addition and subtraction. Moving on to the next topic. Find the product. Okay, this is easy. I think all of you can do. Give me the answer for this. Just this is a multiplication of algebraic expressions. Product means you know how to find out. Okay, 7x plus 2y into, how do we multiply? Just give me the answer. इसमें सीधा आंसर दे दो. ये this is not complicated. Anyone has got? First answer, you need to, you know how to multiply. 7x multiply to both the terms plus 2y multiply to both the terms. What is the answer?
7x square plus 30xy plus 8y square.
Correct. Correct answer. Okay, so I'm writing this answer over here. Tell me the answer. Once again, this is the correct answer. 7x square plus 30xy plus 8y square. Okay, so multiplication I'm not doing, you can do it, this is easy. Now division one. Division में ये वाला simple वाला है, but we this is monomial by monomial, you know how to divide, lowest form कर लेते हैं. So still I'll just show you one example. If you have to divide 24x square y cube, what will be the answer? Tell me. 24, how do I write? 24x square y cube divided by को I can write like this, okay, 3xy. So I just do the lowest form, 3 8s are 24, 1x से 1 power goes and y से ये हो जाता है 2. Okay, so your answer is 8xy square. Okay, so monomial by monomial you can just divide, writing numerator by denominator and make it in the lowest form. But what will we do when we have a division of this type? Okay, polynomial. So I'll just give this question on whiteboard and then we see that we are able to do it or not. Copy it. Okay, so we have to divide this. First step, anyone remembers how do we do this type of question? What is the first step that I have told you to do? You know which one is dividend?
Factorize. Factorize.
You can factorize and do that way also, but first chapter mein you remember how we did? One method is factorized and lowest form, right? But yahan pe if the question is asked, find remainder and quotient both. Okay, divide the polynomial and find remainder and quotient. You remember this method when we used to divide this first chapter mein jab humne padha tha, x minus 2, write in descending order. This is not x2, huh? This is x square. Copy करने में x2 हो गया है. X square minus 4x plus 4. Because this is a quadratic equation, you can factorize and do that way also. But if it is a cubic equation or 4 power ka equation hai, so then you have to do like this, descending order. Then what we do, divide the first by this. Okay, so rough mein we used to divide. Remember this method? Ye wala method is very important. So x se x cancel hua, so you get x only. So your quotient to first term is x. Okay, now you will multiply x with the divisor. So x into this thing is what? X into x is x square and x into minus 2 is minus 2x. So you will write under x only. Now what do? We change the sign because we have to subtract. When we change the sign, first term always cancel out, and this is minus 4 and plus 2x. Okay, minus 4 plus 2x is minus 2x. And sorry, minus 2x plus 4. Now again the same process, minus 2x you will divide by x again and you get the quotient as minus 2. So your quotient is minus 2 over here. Minus 2 ko now multiply here, you get minus 2x, and minus 2 and minus 2 is plus 4. Now change the sign. Remainder is 0, quotient. So remainder is equal to 0. Quotient is equal to x minus 2. Do you remember this method, anyone? Remember we did this? Bhul gaye?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
this is very important. Practice karo iske upar. Ye to as Farhana told ki we could have done using this also, factorization also. But what if my question is, suppose I'm giving you one question, wait. Because we can factorize only trinomials, right? And quadratic equation. You cannot factorize 4 power ka equation. So suppose my question is, divide x raised to 4 minus 4x cube plus 2x square. Question. ये खुद से question बनाने से you'll get थोड़ा complicated answer. So I'll give another question from the book only so that you remember it. Okay. Write down this question. 27x cube Remember, you have to write in descending order. Sometimes in question, they don't give in descending order. So you have to write it, the dividend in descending order. Plus 18x, okay, minus 5. Now this you cannot factorize because you have not learned 3 power ka factorization. So you cannot do by factorization, okay. and the divisor is 3x plus 5. Okay. What is the first term? What will be the first quotient? First quotient is divide this by this. So what is the first term? Tell me. Anyone give me the answer?
9x.
X hoga
9x square.
9x square. Now multiply 9x square with these two terms. What is it? 9 3s are 27 x cube and plus 9 5s are, when we multiply it by 9x square. So 9 3s are and 9 5s are
9 5 are 45.
45 x square. ठीक है? X square के नीचे x square, x cube के नीचे x cube. Change the sign, which is very important because we are subtracting. Remember, in subtraction we change the sign. So ये cancel हुआ. Plus 18 and minus 45. What is the answer? 5 में से 15 में से 8 गया. How much? 7 and 3 में से 1 गया 2. So minus 27x square plus 18x and minus 5. All the terms will come down. Okay. Now divide again this by 3x. What is the second term of quotient? 27 minus 27 है. So minus तो आएगा ही यहाँ पे. 3 9s are 27 and x, only x, because एक x से एक x कट गया. So now minus 9x into 3x is minus 27x square. Minus 9x into 5 is minus 45 x. Again sign change. So minus and plus cancel out. Plus and plus add it. 63x minus 5. Now 63x को divide करो. Divide in rough अगर नहीं होता है सीधा तो 3x से x cancel. 3 2s are 6 3. So plus 21 you will get. Plus 21. So 21 into 3 is again 63x. And I think something is wrong, or maybe we are getting remainder in this. Remainder आ रहा होगा. Yes, we are getting remainder over here. So plus 21 into 5 is how much? 21 into 5. So plus 105. Sign change. ये तो cancel हो गया, but minus and minus is 110. So answer over here is, question is asked कि find remainder and quotient. तो quotient तो हो गया 9x square minus 9x plus 21 and remainder is equal to minus 110. Do you remember this method now, everyone? Is there any doubt? Clear? Farhana, Muazzam, Mudabbir, Ahmad, Saklan? Safia was not there during that time when we were learning this, so I'll not ask Safia because she has not read this. Even Uzair and new students, other new students. So this you remember, this is very important method. Please revise this exercise. How? Okay, just tell me, how do you study for test? Do you check all the exercises? What is the method? Do you check like that? What was done in this exercise? Okay, this method was there. Then in the next exercise, okay, this method. So this way you revise so that nothing is left. Whatever we have done in class, all the exercise, the method, like you forgot this one, the division one. Okay, so you'll not forget this way. Okay, now you remember, do you remember how do we subtract? Addition and subtraction of polynomial. So this was division. I'm not giving you more questions, just practice because मैंने यहाँ पे trinomials ही लिए हुए हैं. Now this one I'm not doing. 54 square, you know how to do it? 54 square, how will we do?
50 plus 4 whole square.
Yes, 50 plus 4 whole square. This is a square minus b square formula you will use. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b. That way you will do. This is also a square minus b square upon, you will do what is 96? 100 minus 4 ka 100 minus 4, right? So that way you will do. Take the correct answer MCQ, so you can do factorization. ये this multiplication का answer क्या है? This you can do, right? Multiply 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5. So this is a formula, 4x square minus 25. So for A plus B, A minus B. So this type of question MCQs will be there. I'm not doing it. This is 200 minus 3 into 200 plus 3. So again, you will use the same formula, A plus B into A minus B. Now this type of question also we did, A plus B is 12, AB is 14. What is A square plus B square? How will we start? Anyone remembers how do we start this question? How do we start this? Simple है, A plus B whole square से will start. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay? तो आंसर में सभी दिया हुआ है. A plus B whole square is 12 square. A square plus B square we have to find out. And 2 into AB is 14. 14 2s are 28. Goes over here. So 144 minus 28 is equal to A square plus B square. So what is the answer? 144 minus 28. Which one will come?
D.
B. 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1. Okay? So this type of question will be asked, might be asked. So then this is also same type of question I gave you in FA also. What is the value of P? So you have to solve it, and 9x square to first term hoga hi, second term is minus 1 by 4. So P की value is plus 1 by 4 क्योंकि minus sign is already there. अगर यहाँ पे plus होता then P की value is minus 1 by 4. Okay. So don't get confused in that. This type of question also we have done. Again, you will start with whole square and then you will get the value. Okay. So we have done in FA. Now, what is the degree of the polynomial? So whatever is the maximum degree, that is the polynomial. Identify the polynomial. That question can also be asked, whether it is a polynomial or not. Factorization, so we have done many things. Now, another thing is verify whether 1 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial. Remember how we do this question? Whether it is a zero, so what you will do? Px. So x की जगह पे you will write 1 and then x की जगह पे 1 की value डालो 3 into 1 and plus 2. So you see that the value comes out to be minus 3 plus 2, which is 0. So that means you will say that yes, 1 is 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so whenever it is asked whether it is a 0 or not, so you have to put that value. Abhi you will put P2 की value. 2 में x की value 2 हो जाएगी. So 2 square minus 3 into 2. All these exercises we have done. I'm just revising so that you recall these things. 4 हो गया, minus 6 हो गया, plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6 minus 6 is 0. So this way you have to show and say that yes, 1 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros means when you put these value, this function ki value becomes 0. This polynomial ki value becomes 0. So we say that these two values satisfy. So this was also one type of questions that we did. Then multiplication and division of rational expression, ये तो अभी last में ही किया था. Multiplication में तो you just have to multiply the numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. ठीक है? This type of question में you will factorize all the terms and then cancel whatever is the common thing and you will get the answer. Okay? And division में, what will you do in division? For example, you have this question. ये है डिवीजन. ये डिवीजन में व्हाट विल वी डू? यहाँ पे तो फैक्टराइज करके दिया हुआ है, बट समटाइम्स लाइक करेक्ट इनटू साइन करके यू हैव टू डू द रेसिप्रोकल एंड देन यू फॉलो द सेम स्टेप्स as we do in multiplication. Okay, is it clear now? So these were the type of questions I have given you. Means I have shown you one sample that these type of questions are there. Next class, if you have any difficulty in any of the topic, please just revise because अभी बहुत सारे दिन है. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. नहीं, Thursday हो गया, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 4 दिन है. तो मैथ्स करो अच्छे से. Just go through all the exercises and even science also you can do. And see whatever doubt is there. We have class on Tuesday, so we'll do that. Okay? If you have any difficulty, if you want, I'll send these questions. Otherwise, you have enough questions online also. Tell me if you want to send me these questions, I'll send you. Yes or no? Otherwise, you see questions. See, I have already given you reference book का नाम. If any of you have taken that book, R.S. Agarwal और R.D. Sharma, 8, 9 and 10 तीनों का syllabus है you have. ठीक है. 8 के थोड़े से topics हैं and 9 and 10 के mostly topics है. Okay, so if you don't buy the book, it is there online also. You just type the topic and R.D. Sharma, yeah, R.S. Agarwal. Okay, you'll get questions from there if you want to. But so many questions are there कि you might waste time also. सब कुछ तुम्हारे syllabus का नहीं है, but you will get enough questions from there. Fine. So please revise. हाँ, maths में practice चाहिए होता है. Even if I make the easiest paper also, but the concept should be clear. Concept नहीं होगा तो easy से easy question भी नहीं होगा. So that's why I'm telling you to practice. Okay. Fine then, that's all. See you in the next class. Bye.